Wow, this truck's got more sizzle than a pound of bacon in a frying pan. Look at this thing, it just pops. I walked in here, I'm like, holy cow. The orange and the white, inside and out, awesome. Under the hood's a 68 Chevelle Big Block 396. It's got factory air, power steering, power disc brakes, automatic. It's got all the good stuff. So we're gonna do a little walk around, show it to you, and at the end we're gonna start it up, so stick with us, you'll hear it run. Brand new 20-inch chrome wheels, really makes it pop. It was sold brand new in Nashville, and I bought it out of North Carolina, so it's a good, solid Southern truck. All the trim is new, the glass, the gaskets, door jambs are slick, everything's painted really nice. All nice metal, even along the bottoms, it's all smooth, it's all metal. In back, all the trim is new, bright chrome on the bumper, it's got some really nice stainless tips. The moldings are all done, new lenses. Over here on this side, it's just as nice. I love the stance. It's got disc brakes at all four wheels. This is the Highlander edition, so this is a special edition. Pretty much it's a high trim level, and it was only made for a short amount of time. Love the interior. Guy said that plaid fabric cost him a small fortune. It was hard to come by. So it's all re-cushioned, all new upholstery. The whole inside of the cab is painted up real nice. The dash is beautiful, has a deluxe wheel on a tilt column. And up front here, everything is new. The grille, the emblem, the chrome bumper. Earlier I mentioned it's a 68 Chevelle 396 350 horse motor that's in here. Just gone through. Turbo 400 trans we just had rebuilt. That's fresh. This is all pristine condition, like new. Air is converted to R134 Freon. It's got the fan shroud, chrome valve covers and air cleaner. The mirrors, the antenna, the rubber around the vent window. It's all redone. Look at the heater controls, the chrome AC vents, the dash bezel. It's all beautiful. If you go to volocars.com, you'll see underside pictures of this as well in the full description. Of course, the truck's for sale, and we have a few hundred collector cars and a handful of trucks too. Now inside this bed is mint. I don't know if this is true, but I was told they use this to haul cotton balls. No dents, no rust, no damage. It's beautiful. We'll start it up. Wow, that sounds awesome. So it's gorgeous, it's got all the right equipment. You use this truck, show this truck. It's just awesome. Go to volocars.com, see what we have for sale, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We put lots of cool cars and trucks on there all the time.